Can you guys speak with a British accent? Ayo, who can speak English here? Raise your hand, kalau bisa. Me. Nanti aku akan buka kelas bahasa Inggris ya guys, next time. Yang gurunya Chelsea Davina Norman yang ajarin bahasa Inggris sama pakai British accent. Nanti hopefully studentnya bisa Kalulu guys, sama Kak Ellie, soalnya they need to learn English. Aku mau ajar Kak Ellie sama Kalulu. Let's speak English, I want. Aussie, London is red. Use British accent. Yes, I can use my British accent. Even though aku gak pernah ke England tau, tapi aku pengen banget.